Hello, we're in beautiful Altarnun this morning, one of the most picturesque villages in the Launceston area. All you can hear are the birds, and behind me we've got this fantastic 3-bedroom cottage full of character and charm with a lovely garden and a stone outbuilding. So let's go and see more about what it has to offer.